How did 143 million views, 686K subscribers, and $558.2K in revenue turn into a reality? This story isn't just about $0 in revenue from YouTube Shorts. In fact, there's something bigger behind the scenes. $558.2K in revenue from those seemingly simple shorts. Let's be honest, it's easy to talk about, but how do you prove it? I'm here to show you the ropes. I'm here to bust this myth and show you how I made $558.2K from YouTube Shorts without taking a single extra step. The secret to my success is using AI tools, which make everything easier. Now I'm going to give you a detailed step-by-step roadmap so you can start reaping the benefits of this passive income too. My shorts are still getting views, 139.562 M views in the last 28 days, even without any new uploads. Now it's time to share all my strategies. Why is this your best opportunity? 2 years ago, I was in a situation where you might be right now. I quit my job, spent all my savings on an affiliate marketing course, and learned how money works. I was uploading 10-20 shorts a day and applying the strategies I learned in that course. But that wasn't the end of it. Now it's your turn. If you want to succeed, every step is crucial, and in the end, everything will be clear to you. Are you ready? Let's get started and get you on the path to making a significant income from YouTube Shorts just like me. Here you can do everything faster and more creatively. Do like me and use this tool to generate interesting ideas. For example, when you enter ChatGPT, type something like this. And now, in a few seconds, this tool will give you 10 great ideas. Let me give you an example. 10 quick ideas that ChatGPT can generate. A small butterfly with a broken wing helps a frog find its home. And that's it. Now you have a collection of ideas that you can use for your creative projects. Now it's time to move on to the next step. Kids, get into Leonardo AI. This amazing tool can turn your prompts into amazing images. But this is not the end. We still have a few more steps to go before we get to the final result. Next steps. Copy each prompt from ChatGPT. Continue one by one. Do this for all your prompts. Make sure your images are exactly what you had in mind. If necessary, change the prompts a little to make the output better. Download the ready-made images. Now you have a whole set of image ideas that you can use in your project. But wait, it's not over yet. At the end of this video, there is a very important point. This is where all your work will connect and create the final result. So follow all the steps carefully. Let's finish this quickly. Turn each prompt into an image, one at a time, as if it were a piece of cake. Don't be discouraged if your first attempt isn't quite perfect. Small changes to the prompt can make a big difference. Now kids, let's get to the next exciting step. We want to turn the beautiful images we got from Leonardo AI into engaging videos. For this, we will use the Runway AI website. This tool allows you to turn images into creative videos in the shortest possible time and with the best quality. Choose a motion style. Runway AI has features like changing angles, animations, and camera movements that you can use. Adjust video length. Set the duration of each image. Add effects. If you like, use the cool effects available on the website to make the video more beautiful. This process is very easy and fun. The more you practice, the better the results will be. Now, let's finish this step by step and create your amazing videos. Now guys, it's time to edit the video in the best possible way. For this, we will use the wonderful CapCut software, which is one of the simple and professional tools for video editing. This software allows you to create creative and attractive videos and finish your project in the best possible way. Steps to edit a video with CapCut first. Open CapCut and click on the Create New Project option. Import the video and photos you have prepared from your device's gallery into the software. You can add all your files at once or individually. If your images or videos have a site logo or additional badges, click on the desired clip. Use the zoom option to zoom in to remove the logo from the image. Be careful not to zoom in too much to reduce the image quality. Repeat this for all clips to make your video look clean and professional. In the timeline section of the software, drag and drop clips to change their order. This will help you tell the story of the video in your own way. If you think a certain order is better, you can experiment with it to get the best result. Effects can multiply the visual appeal of your video. Click on each clip and select the options you want from the effects section. Effects like glow, blur, or sparkle can give your video a certain atmosphere. If the effects are adjustable, choose the appropriate values for a more natural output. To make your video come alive, click on each clip and use the animation option. Experiment with enter, exit, and motion animations. For example, you can arrange the photos so that they smoothly transition into the next image. Background music is one of the main factors in the appeal of the video. Choose a suitable music from the audio section. If you are using CapCut's library, there are a variety of free music available. You can also upload your own audio file. Make sure the music fits the mood of the video and the original audio of the clips is removed or reduced if necessary. To convey a message or further explanation, use the text section and add short, catchy text to the video. Adjust the font, size, and color of the text based on the theme of the video. If necessary, add motion effects to the text to make it more attractive. Review all clips, effects, animations, and texts. Make sure the video is seamless and all parts are in sync. If necessary, make minor adjustments to improve the final result. When your video is ready, click the export option. Set the output quality according to your needs. For example, 1080p or 4K. Wait for the video to save. Now you are ready to publish your video. The video is ready. Now let's watch the video together and enjoy the result. Thanks for being with us until now. If you liked this tutorial, like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any comments or suggestions, write them in the comments section. Stay tuned for our next videos, because more interesting content is coming.